With me, I have a guest today. His name is Mitch Becker. He is a contributor to Body Shop Business. He's also the technical instructor of Abra Auto Body and Glass, and he's also an instructor for iCar. Today, we're going to talk about one of the hottest topics in the collision industry, scanning. Mitch, let's talk about what is the difference between a pre and a post repair scan and a recalibration.
Well, a pre-scan is where we take a scan tool, we go into the vehicle, we scan in to see what circuits have been damaged from the crash or what might be there prior to the crash. We can see difference in there. A mileage stamp is usually putting codes in the vehicle that don't put lights on the dash, but does put codes in the system to see when there's discrepancies in the changes in the computers. So it's going to tell me what's there and what may be damaged from the crash. A post-scan is going to be done after the collision repairs are done. So it's going to do a lot that the pre-scan will do, but in the process of repair, we're going to add codes to the vehicle. Right? In this repair industry, we will add codes to the vehicle and repair the vehicle. Simple battery disconnect can put a code in the vehicle. A post-scan is going to do the same thing the pre-scan does, but a post-scan is going to also tell us what was added during the repair process and what needs to be cleared from there. So it's going to tell us the electronics are functioning correctly, which ones aren't, if there's problems, anything with that part of that. So the pre-scan, post-scan are checking the electronics. The recalibration is a totally separate process from a scan. And what a recalibration does is it aims the sensors so that they have the correct acclimation on the roadway so that the vehicle will perform as designed in the conditions it's designed for. So a recalibration, a scan tool is going to tell you if the system's operational. A scan tool is going to make sure that everything's aimed right. So a scan tool can tell you if you have a control module problem, but a recalibration will tell you if the bracket is bent.
Do shops today need to be doing pre and post repair scans and or recalibrations on every single vehicle?
No, car manufacturers don't have requirements on some of the older vehicles. Some of the newer vehicles, they may not require a pre-repair scan, or depending on the manufacturer if they want that part. A post-repair scan technically is being called for by quite a few people because of all the electronics, everything being replaced. So the post-repair is probably the most prevalent type of scan going to be out there. A pre-scan would only be needed if the car manufacturer calls for that. The recalibration would be for what procedures you did on the car. A bumper R&I on a vehicle could require recalibration. A windshield replacement will require recalibration. In some cases also, you'll run into any replacement of control modules will require reprogramming of the vehicle, and that's also different from a scan. So you have a different form that comes in there too. So you have to look into resources to find out what you need to do for the repairs that you're performing on the vehicle.
Man, that's great information, Mitch. Thank you very much. And if you want more information on scanning, please read Body Shop Business and Mitch Becker's articles. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.